Lecture number 1. Good evening, student. Today we will start the next and new chapter of algebra, that is expansions. Okay, let's start with formula for expansion. Whenever we have two terms in an expansion like x plus a or x plus b, we can write it as x square plus x a plus b plus ab. Similarly, like we have to multiply this number with this, then ax, bx and ab. Okay, we have four terms, x square plus ax plus bx plus ab. Okay, final term is ab. Then we can take common from this, x square plus x as a common, a plus b plus ab. Okay, similarly we have four basic formula for that. Okay, like a square minus b square. Second formula is a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b, or vice versa. If there is a change in the sign, like plus is here, plus is replaced with negative, then the sign is here minus a and it is minus ab. Okay, similarly any change in the sign change the result of the respective formula. Then the second one is a square minus b square. It is written as a plus b, a minus b. You have to remember all the basic formula, whichever I will discuss. You have to remember all these formula. Okay, third one is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square equal a square plus b square plus 2ab. I think you have to remember some of the formula because you are very familiar with all these formula. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then formula number fifth is a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. If you take 2 as common, okay, then 2 common, here we have ab plus bc plus ca. Similarly, we can write it as a square plus b square plus c square equal to a plus b plus c whole square minus 2ab plus bc plus ca equal to a square plus b square plus c square. This is the second result of this formula because we can take it a square plus b square plus c square, then subtract, take it from right hand side to left hand side. Then the next formula is formula number 6th. Okay, a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube. Then seventh one is a plus a minus b whole cube. Okay, these two formula are very important for us, and you have to remember both of the formula. A plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. You have to remember, and if okay, this formula comes from a plus b whole square multiply with a plus b. Okay, then you have the same result as you multiply both of the number or unknown variable, whatever you can. A cube plus b cube plus, you can take 3ab as common, so we have a plus b. This is also written in this form. Okay, now if you have to find out a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube, this is very important. Actually, this is very important. A cube plus b cube, you have to find out a cube plus b cube, then a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab 3ab a plus b. Okay, take a plus b as common. A plus b common from both. Here we have a plus b whole square minus 3ab. Okay, because a plus b common, then a plus b whole square is remaining now. Okay, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 3ab. Okay, 2ab minus 3ab, that is a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. Okay, a square plus b square minus ab. So you have to remember this formula also. Okay, a cube plus b cube. I can write here a cube. You have to remember three formula. First, then take common. This is very simple. Then last one is very important. A cube plus b cube equal to a plus b, a square plus b square, a square plus b square minus ab. If the sign between a plus b is, sorry, here sign is a plus, so we have to take it as minus, as just for remember. Okay, then seventh one is a cube a minus b whole cube. Okay, a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. A cube minus b cube, take minus 3ab as common. Okay, we have a minus b, minus 3ab common, so we have a minus b. Okay, a minus b. These two are very simple formula. Now the third one is very important again. Similarly, a cube plus b cube. Here a cube, we have to find out a cube minus b cube. Okay, for that a cube minus b cube, a minus b whole cube, sorry, this is cube, plus 3ab. Okay, plus 3ab a minus b. Okay, take a minus b as common. Here we have a minus b whole square plus 3ab. Okay, expand this formula. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 3ab. So we have 3ab minus 2ab, ab. So a minus b bracket a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, so what we have to remember is, for the sake of simplicity, we can remember this formula: a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. And how? If here a cube minus b cube, then a minus b, a cube plus b cube, a plus b. Just you have to remember one more thing: a square plus b square, a square plus b square, both are same. If here a minus b, then this is plus. Here a plus b, then this is minus. Okay, and important formula is first one: a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square, and a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square. That is very simple. Okay, because all are plus. So you have to remember this one and this one. Very important formula. Okay, now we will discuss exercise 3a. Question number first part is very simple. Write down the product for each of the following. Write down the product. We have to just multiply it. Okay, question number 1, first part: x plus 4 x plus 2. X plus 4 x plus 2. This is based on the identity x plus a x plus b. What is the result for this identity? We have x square plus x a plus b plus ab. Okay, directly if we can write it directly as x square, x a plus b is 2 plus 4, that is 6, means we have 6x, then ab 4 into 2, that is it. So our answer is x square plus 6. And if we don't want to remember this identities, then we can directly multiply all this. X into x, x square, x into 2, 2x, then 4 into x, 4x, 4 into 2, 8. Okay, you can use either. If you go through the identity, then you have to remember the identity, and also whenever you do the question, you have to write that identity also, okay, in the question, sorry, in the answer. X square plus 2x plus, so x square 2 plus 4, 6x plus 8. So both answers are same. Your approach is anywhere change, but your answer must be same. Okay, fourth part is 7x square minus 5y multiply with x square minus 3y. Okay, 7x square multiply with x square, that is 7x to the power 4, 7 multiply with 3 minus 7 into 3, 21 x square into y. Okay, x square y minus 5 x square y. Okay, x square y, then minus 3 into minus 5, that is plus 15 y into y, y square. Now simplify this. 7x to the power 4 minus 21 minus 5, that is minus 26 x square y plus 15 y square. Note down both of the answer. Question number 1, part 2nd and 3rd. Do in your rough copy as homework. Whenever is school reopen, I will check. Okay. Then move to question number 2nd. Write down the square of the following. Very simple question. First one you have to do. Second one I will explain. Second part, 5y minus 2z whole square. Okay, that is a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. If you use this identity, then a square, take a is 5y and b equal to 2z. A square 5y square, b square 2z square minus 2 into a 5y, b 2z. Okay, just simplify. 25y square plus 4z square minus 2 into 5 into 2, 5 4 20 yz. So this is the answer of this second part. Now third part, 5p minus 1 by 4q whole square. Okay, so a minus b whole square, again a square plus b square plus 2ab. You have to remember this identity. A square 5p square plus b square 1 by 4q square minus 2ab, minus 2 into a into b. B is 1 by 4q. Okay, cancel this with this. 2 5p square 25p square. Your representation must be clearly visual. Okay, in your fair copy. 1 by 16 q square minus 5p upon 2q. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, move to next part, that is sixth part. Sixth part is 2x minus 1 by 3. 2x minus 1 by, sorry, sixth part, 2x minus 1 by 3 p plus 3q. Okay, square. This will be a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, a plus b plus compared with a plus b plus c whole square. So we can easily use the identity a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus bc plus ca. But before expanding this, we have to remember that we have to suppose that a equal to 2x, b equal to minus 1 by 3p, or we can also write it as minus p by 3, and c is 3q. Okay, now put in the formula values of a, 2x whole square plus b minus p by 3 whole square plus c square 3q whole square plus 2ab. So what is the value of plus 2ab? ab is 2x minus 3, 2x into minus p by 3. 2x into minus p by 3. So minus 2px upon 3. Okay, minus 2px upon 3. Then bc minus p by 3 into this. Multiply with this. Minus p by 3 multiply with 3q. Then plus ca 3q into 2x. Here we have to multiply 2x. Answer is same, but 2x multiply with minus p by 3. Okay. So is 4x square. Then p square upon 9 plus 9q square plus 2x. So minus 2px upon 3 minus pq plus 6qx. Okay. If you further want to simplify further, then multiply this two with all the terms and you can simplify.